Good morning all of you. In yesterday's session, I explained you how the linear equations are represented graphically. The steps also I explained you. Just take one equation. Whatever given pair is there, take one equation. From that pair, you have to choose one equation. Then isolate that equation. After isolating, find the four pair of the coordinate. And after getting the coordinate, plot that coordinate on a xy plane, and then by using the ruler you have to draw the line. Similarly, again take another equation, find out the four pair of the coordinate and then plot on the graph. Then what is the solution of given simultaneous equation graphically? So what is the intersection point of these two lines? The intersection point of these two lines, that is here, if you are observing here, what is the intersection point here? 5, 1. So this 5, 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Understood? So another examples of 1.2 I am going to show you. So you have to do at a practice at home. Okay. Now listen student. What is the third equation? It is given x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. The third equation is, and another pair is 2x plus y is equal to 9. Then x plus y is equal to 0. Choose the value of x, substitute in the equation, you will get the value of y. Now, before choosing the value of x, firstly isolate that equation. Means find out y is equal to minus of x. Whatever the value of x, you will get the minus value is your y value. Means if 0, you know that 0 have no sign. So 0 means x is 0, y is also 0. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. And x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. So what is the pairs? 0, 0, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2 and minus 1, 1. This is the pair of 4 pair of this line, and you have to plot this 4 pair on a graph, which are the 0, 0, that is first point is here. Then 2, minus 2. It is your 2, minus 2 here. Minus 2, 2 here. And last is 1, minus 1, 1 here. This 1, 2, 3 and this is the 4. So this is the 4 pair, and draw the line from passing through this 4 point. Draw the line which is passing to this 4 point. Now similarly for the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, so after isolating, what you will get? Y is equal to this 2x, just you have to shift it towards the right side. But if you are observing here, minus y is there, so shift y in that side. What you will get? 2x, this minus of 9 is equal to y. It means that y is equal to 2x minus of 9. 1 minute students. Sorry. Now y is equal to 2x minus of 9. Use this equation, find out the 4 pair. How to find out that also you know very well. Substitute the value of x, whatever the values are given in the first row, that is value of x. After substituting, you will get the value of y. Then draw on the graph. What is the intersection point of this line is 3, minus 3, and therefore the solution of given simultaneous equation is 3, minus 3. Now in this 1.2, I explain here how to solve graphically. Okay, means find out the 4 pair of the coordinate of 4 points, plot on the graph. Similar for the second equation, and what is the intersection point is there. The coordinate of that point is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now this one is a fourth. This is also same way. Find out first 3x minus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. This is after isolation you will get the equation y is equal to 3x minus of 2. Now substitute the value of x, you will get the value of y. See here 3. If x is 0, then what is the value of y is equal to minus 2 only, because 3 into 0 is 3. Then 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then minus 1. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. And then 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 is 4. So this 4 pair, plot on the graph. Similarly, isolate the second equation, plot on the graph. And what is the intersection point? The intersection point, if your coordinate is correct, then only your solution is correct. So your intersection point of these two lines is minus 1 comma minus 5. So your minus 1 comma minus 5 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. In exam, if the question asks solve the given simultaneous equation graphically, then you have to solve in this way. First table for the first equation, second table for the second equation, minimum 4 pair you have to find out, plot the graph. After plotting the graph, the two lines intersect at what point, that is your solution. That is your solution. Similarly, question number 5, here I solved. See, the question number 5 is what? 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. Firstly, find out y is equal to 3x plus 7 by 4. Now, 3 minus of 1 here. Okay, 3 into minus 1, how much it is? Minus 3 plus of 7 by 4. Minus 3 plus 7 is 4 by 4. So, you will get the y is equal to 1. So, this equation from the 5th standard, like this equation you are solving. From 5th to 6th standard, you are solving like this equation. So, in 10th standard, no need to explain how to solve. Substitute the value of x, you will get the value of y. After getting this 4 coordinate, plot on the graph, draw the line. What is the same for the second equation also. After plotting both the line, see the intersection point of that line. The intersection point is here minus 1 comma 2.5, that is 1 comma 2.5, or it may be come in a fraction also. It depends. Okay. So 1 comma 2.5 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Then last question, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y is equal to 2x minus of 4. So y is equal to 2x minus 4 by 3. Always remember that choose the value of x in such a way that you will get the y value should be a integer. It should be, it is not compulsory, but it is, if the value of y and x are the integer, it is easy to plot on the graph. If it is a fraction or decimal come, then again sometimes you will confuse. So choose the value of x in such a way that your y value may be a integer. Okay. So in all the examples, I choose such a value that the y value is integer. So again and again see the video. Try to understand how I plot. According to that you have to plot. Always remember that the value of x, again and again I am saying, the value of x choose in such a way that the y it will come a simple answer. So after plotting, what is the intersection? It is 8 comma 4. And when you are drawing graphically, it is compulsory to show the intersection of 2 points. Up to that point you have to draw the line. You have to extend the line. After getting the intersection point, then you can stop there. Like this. Here, see, after 4 point, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points are 1, 2, 3 and 4. But I am plotting extending the line. Same way here also. All the 4 points are here. 1, 2, 3. And see here 4. So, after getting intersection point, you can stop your line here. So, in this way, you have to draw the graph. Scale you have to mention, plot find out the both equation, 4 pair point, coordinate of 4 points, plot on the graph, draw the line. After drawing line, what is the intersection point? That is that intersection point coordinate. The coordinate of the intersection point is the solution of given simultaneous equation. So here 8 comma 4, that is x is 8 and y is the 4. So this is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now in 1.2 there are 6 questions are there. Your homework is that you have to solve these 6 questions by elimination or substitution method. Okay, thank you students. Again listen one time, again watch video and again try to solve. Practice compulsory. If you know that the questions are very simple, but when you are solving yourself, then you will confuse sometimes. So practice compulsory. Whatever from the 1.1, 1.2, all question. Do practice at home. Doubt are there, you can ask me. Thank you.